dry hands. Dermalect, oh my gosh. Best hand cream ever.
Okay, I was just showing you I had eyeshadow on already. I'll have the link below what it is. But I'm using my Julep Beauty 24/7 lip treatment in Barely There. It's just a sheer pink that's moisturizing my lips as I'm getting ready. So now I'm using my all-time favorite by Pixi. This is a primer, and it gives me a beautiful natural glow, which you will see right here. It looks so good alone or under foundation. This is a popular one, Charlotte Tilbury. This is their Hollywood Flawless Filter in Fair. I like to just add that, as you can see, just in certain areas, not all over my face for an additional glow. It's all about the glow for me, but one where my wrinkles won't stand out a lot more. So next is an all-time favorite, pricey but favorite. I really think everyone should invest in this. It's so cool. It's a blush and lipstick by Valentino Beauty, and this is in Rosso Valentino, and it's like the perfect shade of red. And I like to add it on my cheeks and everything right before my foundation and all of that. It's just, it looks so nice. And I love that you could use it for your lips too if you wanted. So right here I'm showing you my favorite. This is a concealer that I like to use as a foundation as well. And it says it could be used as foundation. It's by Julep Beauty, and it has a little cushion on there. As you can see, that makes it very easy to apply. And it's so easy to blend and looks nice all over the skin where you don't need to have full-on foundation. And I really like this mixed with the Valentino Beauty blush because, as you can see, it just makes the skin look flawless and more awake, in my opinion. So I just added some products for contouring, and then on my eyes to give me a dewy look, and also gave myself some fake freckles. All the items will be listed down below, so in case you guys are like, well, what was that? But I mean, it's pretty simple. You see how I use a stamp for my liner because I can't do my eyeliner a wing for the life of it. So this made it easy. Oh my gosh, you can't miss out on the Laura Geller powder, translucent powder. It's all-time best. And then this palette by Laura Geller, everyone, especially with mature skin, needs to get this. My daughter has her own. She just loves the shades, and I love them too. They look really natural and just very nice on your skin, in my opinion. And look at the blush. It's so pigmented. It's buildable. Laura Geller's genius with this. It has the highlighter, eyeshadow, bronzer, and blush all in one. It's everything you need. It's perfect for vacation or like me, soccer mom, when you got to go somewhere to hotels. Then you get to, just take that. And then the Julep Beauty Length Matters. I almost said eyeshadow mascara. It is by far the best mascara ever, as you can see. And then I'm just using my NYX lip liner right here. And I can't think of the shade right now, but I'll have it down below. And then my Laura Geller lipstick. This is the perfect shade, as you can see. Those two combined are perfect. I just feel so confident, you guys. And I love my makeup choices lately, and I hope you guys enjoyed too.